Oh, hey guys. My name is Xander. I work over here at Spirit Motorcycles, and this, my friend, is the 2026 RS 660. Now, you're getting the 5-inch TFT display, you're getting semi-adjustable front and rear suspension. Yeah, I think you're getting around 150, 140 miles an hour if you want to top it out. You're packing around 93 horsepower with a wet weight, 403 pounds. But if you do really want to go balls to the wall, this is the 2026 RS660 factory. Still featuring similar tech. You're getting the track options, both front and here, but you're getting front and rear adjustable Owen suspensions. You're getting a lighter lithium-ion battery. My name is Xander Solomon. I'm here over at Spirit Motorcycles. We're located at 460 Meridian Avenue over in San Jose. The number to reach us at 408-571-6000.